Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, solid-state drive, and system board. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the webcam, wireless antenna, and display panel cables for later replacement. Open the display panel assembly and rotate it approximately 270 degrees so that the display panel is facing away from the top cover. While supporting the top cover, remove the three 5.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the three 5.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully slide the display panel hinges out from underneath the lip on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly.